Good evening, everyone, or good morning. I am Bon Austin. Today, I'll state to you what I've learned in theology class. Studying theology has helped me understand that faith is not only about religious practice, but also about developing a deeper relationship with God and living accordingly to moral values. Through this subject, I learned that theology encourages us to reflect on the meaning of life, our purpose, and our responsibilities towards others. One of the most important lessons I gained is the value of love, compassion, and service. The teachings discussed in class remind me that faith should be reflected in our actions, especially how we treat people with respect and kindness. Theology has also challenged me to think critically about ethical issues and to make decisions guided by both reason and faith. Furthermore, this subject has strengthened my appreciation for different beliefs and perspectives. It taught me the importance of dialogue, understanding, and respect among people from diverse backgrounds. Theology has been one of the most meaningful subjects I have studied. It has helped me understand the importance of faith in everyday life. Through this subject, I've learned more about God and His teachings. I discovered that theology is not only about religion but also about understanding life. It taught me to reflect on my actions and decisions. I learned the value of prayer and spiritual connection. Theology helped me appreciate the purpose of human existence. I realized that everyone has strengths and weaknesses. Theology reminded me that no one is perfect. It encouraged me to continue improving myself. I learned the importance of self-discipline, and also it inspired me to serve others whenever possible. And hindi lang na, wait lang. And also I'll be teaching the Ten Commandments. What is the Ten Commandments? It is the 10 moral religious laws that, according to Bible, God gave to Moses on Mount Sinai. They are found in the books of Exodus and Deuteronomy. They serve as a guide for how people should relate to God and to one another. For the first one, we have "You shall have no other gods before me." What does it mean? It means that this teaches loyalty and faithfulness to God above all else. You shall not make or worship idols. This one naman is people should worship God rather than object, positions, or anything else that takes God's place in their lives. For number 3, you shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. Means that God's name should be used with respect, not carelessly or dishonesty. For number 4, remember the day and keep it holy. This commandment encourages setting aside from time for worship, rest, and spiritual reflection. For the next one, we have the honor your father and your mother. Respecting parents and guardians helps strengthen families and communities. And next one, you shall not kill. Human life is sacred and should be respected and protected. And then, you shall not commit adultery. This teaches faithfulness and commitment in marriage and relationship. Then, you shall not steal. People should respect property and rights of others. Next is, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Honesty is important. Lying, spreading false information can harm others. For the last one, you shall not covet. Coveting means being jealous of what others have. This commandment encourages contentment and gratitude. For the last question, why are the 10 commandments are important? The 10 commandments provide a foundation for ethical behavior and moral decision making. The first 4 commandments focus on a person's relationship with God, while the last 6 focus on relationship with other people. Together, they promote values such as faith, respect, honesty, responsibility, justice, and love. And that's all. Thank you.